Ah, oh my god. Alex here, AMRC, and I have the E-flite Micro B-2 out again. Maiden flight was a bit scary due to a battery situation. I didn't check it before flying, and I'm not sure if it was fully charged or not. It didn't give me any alarms, so I'm guessing it should have been charged. Anyway, it was shorter than I expected, but still, I had a good flight, good landing, and hopefully we'll be able to repeat that again and maybe take it out of safe this time. Maiden was in safe only, especially because of that battery scare. So let's not waste time. Sun is setting, let's get it in the air. Okay, so the battery's charged. I double checked. Have surfaces. Sun is setting. Lighting is not ideal, but I'll see what we can do about that. This thing needs a bit of runway, but man, it sounds so good and it looks so good in the air. Okay, let's get it on this side. Sun at our back, and hopefully it's even more visible. Wow, just look at that shape. A bit of yaw. Yeah, it turns pretty fast. Yeah, 11.6 volts, I don't know. Likes eating these batteries pretty fast, it seems. I mean, I've used these batteries in other planes and got decent flight times. Maybe I should try a Spectrum one, although they are pricey. And I switched the connector to XT30 because I don't have any IC2 batteries. Wow! And I'm so giddy with this. What a beautiful plane. Okay, let's try and get it out of safe. Ooh. Ah, oh my god, that was so close. Okay. Whew. Note to self. Don't loop this so low to the ground. And note to everyone else, man, that was lucky. But yeah, it's not a fighter, it's not a 3D plane. That got my heart racing, I'll tell you that. And again, 11.3 volts, so yeah, I don't know. It's either a battery muncher or I need different batteries. Although I don't have a lot of flights on these, they're not puffy or anything like that. But yeah, I like my jets with longer flight times. 5 minutes is ideal. Okay, no cars coming. Let's try to set it down. Okay, that was bouncy. Really bouncy. But what a cool airplane this is. In real life and model form. Ground handling is great with the differential thrust and the steerable nose wheel. Okay, throttle cut. Okay, and I have 11.4 volts. And how long have I been flying? Just under 3 minutes. I had the timer set for 5. And I still have 2 minutes 21 seconds. Yeah, but wow, look at it in the sunset. Woo. Such a fantastic plane. I love it. I mean, just the shape of it. It flies great. Flying at scale, nice and level. Whew, it looped pretty decent, but I just was too low. I'm glad I didn't crash it. Whew. yeah, everyone should try to fly one of these at least once. Man, I'm still shaking. Really exciting plane. Bad landing this time, but oh well. I'll try and do it better next time. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!